After a dry July in August that's more than a month late, there has been rain in most districts in Rajasthan. But with the crucial sowing season having gone by, these rains have come too late. Most farmers this year decided against a gamble on the monsoon, and sowing has been 50% less this year compared to last year. The government has already declared a drought in the 5 worst hit districts in western Rajasthan. But other parts of the state are now clamouring for similar relief, as farmers say the late rains could ensure that fodder grows, but food grains this year will be less, definitely not enough to make ends meet.
At this village in western Rajasthan's Pali district, a meeting of farmers. Like bordering Jodhpur, they too want the government to declare a drought in their area.
जिन किसानों ने बैंक से लोन लिया है, उनके लोन भी माफ किए जाएं। अकाल राहत चलाए गवर्नमेंट तो मजदूरी मिल जाए, जो मजदूर लोग जो बाहर अप्लाई करेंगे।
But recent showers in most parts of Rajasthan could delay that final climax of this drought crisis. Migration. Lalu Ram is a marginal farmer. His land holdings are too small to sustain his family. It's his sheep and goats from whom he makes a living. Lalu Ram was thinking of leaving his village. He would have migrated more than 1,000 kilometers south, perhaps towards Madhya Pradesh, in search of green grass. But the late rains have brought some relief.
लेट भी नहीं सका बात में नहीं भाई, अबे वो तो वे नहीं, बारिश का कोई पता कोई वे नहीं वे, बस सारा है, बस ये सारा पानी इतना भेजा, 2 महीना का जलन भेजा, ज़्यादा नहीं.
But for most farmers, the recent showers have come too late to be of any use.
ये बारिश से अब अंदाजा ये कि छोटी मोटी जो है ना क्रॉप होगी तो वो चारा ही हो सकता है, लेकिन पैदावार इसके नहीं हो सकती इस रेन से.
But for those districts keen on declaring a drought, the government is now waiting and watching the erratic rains to do a final crop assessment. This year, sowing has been much below average, especially in western Rajasthan. But the late rains have now brought a sense of relief. The drinking water crisis could be resolved to an extent, and if crops don't bounce back, at least there will be some fodder for animals. With camera person Dinesh Pradhan in Pali district, Harsha Kumari Singh for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.